Hey guys, this is James and welcome to a new video. Today I'm not going to show you any tutorials. Today I'm going to share some of my thoughts that are running around my head, which is I have been doing reviews for a long time on my Bengali channel. For those who don't know about that, I have another channel which is James Prince. There I review different products like cameras, lightings, microphones, drones, gimbal, etc. So as you guys are interested on video editing and filmmaking, I thought you may have interest on those topic also, right? So why not just knock you guys? So you can just write me in the comment section below that will it be a good idea if I start reviewing different camera gears and filmmaking accessories here on this channel. I have experimenting with these topics for a long time. You may have seen some shorts, and last video I have uploaded about DJI Flip rumors. So some of you may have seen those videos, right? So I'm not sure will it be a good idea if that hurts you guys, because you guys are the core of this channel. You are the foundation. I don't want to do anything without your permission. So I'll request you to give me your thoughts and share whatever you think about what I'm thinking. Should I start reviewing products here on this channel beside the tutorials? Yes, of course, I'll not stop making video editing tutorials or filmmaking tutorials. I will do those too, but beside that, to have a continued flow of different videos, I need to mix up different contents. Sometimes if I just make tutorials, I feel pretty bored. So I think it will be a good idea to mix some contents here and there. So just share your thoughts. That will be a great help for me. Also, you can participate here on this poll and feel free to comment your thought in the comment section below. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.